Ever wondered what really turns on a woman? It's a question that's intrigued many. Delving into this mystery is more than just romantic curiosity, it's about understanding her needs and desires. The first 5 ways are simpler than you might think. First up, establishing an emotional connection. This isn't about grand gestures or dramatic love declarations. It's about showing genuine interest in her thoughts, her feelings, her day-to-day life. Next, confidence. Remember, confidence is not about pretending to be someone else. It's about embracing who you are and expressing yourself without hesitation. Third on our list, foreplay. This is not just a prelude to the main event. It's an essential part of the journey, a chance to explore and appreciate each other. Fourth, understanding her body. Every woman is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Take time to learn what she likes and what she doesn't. Finally, communication. Open, honest communication is key. Talk about your desires, your concerns, your boundaries. But that's not all. We have 5 more intriguing ways coming up next. Dive into the next 5 ways that can make a significant difference. First, let's talk about spontaneity. It adds excitement and keeps the relationship from becoming too predictable. Surprise her with a dinner out or a small gift. It's all about keeping the spark alive. Secondly, make her feel special. Compliment her, appreciate her efforts, and express your love. Remember, it's the little things that leave a big impact. Thirdly, listening to her. Yes, genuine listening, not just hearing. Show interest in her thoughts and feelings. It's a way of saying, I value you. Fourthly, show affection. A loving touch or a warm hug can speak volumes. Physical affection is a powerful way to connect deeply. Lastly, be patient. Understand that everyone has their own pace. Respect her boundaries and give her the space she needs when she needs it. These 10 ways may seem simple, but they can make a world of difference. Thanks for watching.